Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On 20th August, at the parish of Sao Jose de Hangene in the Diocese of Maputo, the Salesian Vasant Raj was ordained a priest through the imposition of hands and the consecratory prayer of Monsignor Tonito Jose Francisco Xavier Moana Anoa, Auxiliary Bishop of Maputo. The new priest comes from the India Chennai province and was sent as a missionary to Mozambique in 2016. He studied theology in Kintia Utume and was ordained a priest on his birthday. From 18 to 20th August, the Salesian Youth Ministry Commission organized a training session for the animators of Salesian schools and for representatives of the schools run by the Salesian family on the theme, Like Leaven in Today's Human Family. The meeting took place at the Savio House in Sampran in the presence of 90 young people and 15 priests, nuns, religious and teachers. In recent days, the Salesians have addressed important speeches to those present centered on significant themes such as being like leaven in society, leadership, the role of the Salesian, social media and much more. Furthermore, recreational activities and training courses on how to organize them were organized. In the end, the participants were divided into groups to discuss topics such as bullying and the dangers it entails, helping disadvantaged people their own contribution to society. All of this took place in a typically Salesian atmosphere of fun, happiness and sharing. The young people of the 21 Salesian presences in the Salesian province of Brazil, Campo Grande, BCG, gathered in Campo Grande for the commemorative event of the 25th anniversary of AJS, Articuloso Juvenil Salesiana, the Salesian youth movement in Brazil. Salesian Youth Day is a provincial project that takes place every 2 years, but has been interrupted for some time due to the COVID-19 pandemic health crisis. Realizing Salesian Youth Day is putting into practice what the youth ministry framework for the entire congregation to ask of us, giving young people an experience of faith, an experience of Jesus Christ, an experience of God, said Father Ricardo Carlos, Superior of the Saint Alfonso's Liguri, province of Campo Grande. The young people arrived on Friday, 18th August and gathered at the sports center at Colegio Salesiano Don Bosco. After the official photos were taken and dinner together, Father Ricardo Carlos welcomed them before things continued with songs and music in a typically Salesian atmosphere of joy. This week, the 5th edition of the Salesian Spiritual Accompaniment School begins in Valdoco for Italian and Spanish-speaking Salesians, which will continue until 23rd September next. There will be a total of 24 Salesians from 15 provinces and vice provinces: BRE, ECU, BBH, COB, PER, MEC, CRESCO, CAM, INE, ICP, MOR, RMG, KOR, INH, ANG, MOZ, coming from 13 countries and from 6 different regions of the congregation. To provide some statistical data, it is underlined that the average age of the participants is 45 years and that for the first time 6 Salesian brothers are also participating in the School of Spiritual Accompaniment, 4 participants and 2 facilitators. The visit by Father Stefano Martoglio, Vicar of the Rector Major, on Tuesday 22nd August to the Zeffirino Namancura house in Via della Buffalotta, 550, Rome, was very welcome. In this period, the Salesian community hosts the group of new missionaries who are preparing for their mandate from the Rector Major when they are given their crucifix on the last Sunday of September in Valdoco at the 154th Missionary Expedition. Their course began on 20th August and will continue at Salesian sites in Piedmont from 2nd September. Together with them, Father Martoglio met the conference of the community, where there is already a large group studying Italian in view of the formation to an academic year that will begin in just over a month in the same community and at the UPS. Newcomers come from the following provinces and vice provinces: AFC, AFE, AGL, BBH, BMA, HAI, INN, INS, QR, MDG, POR, TZA and ZMB. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.